Hello everyone, now let me introduce you to the Ricoh PRO C5300 and C5310. It's a semi-productive machine. The resolution is 2400 x 4800. It can print 50 grams to 360 grams of paper. If a vacuum tray is added, it can be automatically double-sided. Under normal circumstances, using bypass is to hit 350 grams, 360 grams paper. This machine is an entry-level production machine. 350 grams of copperboard paper can be used. Therefore, it is suitable for small and medium-sized copy shops and graphic shops. There are currently new copiers on sale for this machine. The stability and fineness of the whole copier are very good. You can use it according to the business volume and print volume. It can work alone with the host. If your production requirements are high, your file is more complicated and the memory is relatively large, you want the copier to be faster, or need more paper, large capacity carton that can be equipped with a 3. It actually comes with a vacuum tray, like the 7200. Or you can install a pager here. It can be bound with saddle stitching. Secondly, if your file is particularly large, it can also be equipped with such a server to use, like a production machine. It just has a smaller capacity than other machines, but it will have all the functions. Can print documents that can be printed by almost any production machine. The output, including the whole mass, is also good. It's just that it doesn't print as many times as large production equipment. Let's talk about the characteristics of this copier. As an entry-level production copier, it can beat 350 grams of copperboard paper. For small and medium-sized copy shops, it doesn't print on very much heavy paper, printing plain paper. Occasionally prints some 350 grams coated paper as a cover. Then this machine is very suitable. Okay, now let's test this copier together. The appearance of this copier is very beautiful. The printing process is not stuck either. Let's see how the printing works. The color of the whole picture is uniform. The details are also very rich. That's it for today's video. If you are also interested in photocopiers, welcome to subscribe. Let's study together.